Porsche restores first-generation Cayenne through exclusive customization program. Porsche is expanding its lucrative customization services with the revival of a 2009 Cayenne GTS under its Sonderwunsch Special Request division. This marks the first time the program has been applied to the original Cayenne, demonstrating Porsche's commitment to servicing both new and classic vehicles. The Sonderwunsch division, tracing back to 1978, now operates across 3 tiers: factory commissions for new cars, factory recommissions for older models, and entirely bespoke factory one-offs. Reviving a 16-year-old icon, the restored Cayenne, owned by Philippe Seraphim, underwent a complete mechanical and cosmetic overhaul. The SUV received a unique black olive paint finish, contrasted with matte black trim, fulfilling the owner's desire for a 1970s aesthetic. Notably, a factory-installed tow bar was added per the customer's request. The vehicle also received all-terrain tires, highlighting the original Cayenne's robust off-road capabilities, which included a low-range transfer case and locking rear differential. Interior refinement and rarity: the interior was meticulously refreshed with leather-to-sample English green upholstery, featuring a distinctive black olive pasha pattern, extending even to the glove box. Light brushed aluminum accents were applied to the door cards, further elevating the cabin's luxurious feel. What makes this restoration particularly exceptional is the Cayenne GTS's 6-speed manual transmission. Porsche SUVs with manual gearboxes are exceedingly rare, especially in modern lineups, making this vehicle a highly desirable collector's item. The second-generation Cayenne did offer a manual option for the base model, but this first-generation GTS is a truly unique find. Sonderwunsch expansion beyond sports cars. While Porsche's Sonderwunsch program has historically focused on sports cars like the 911, this Cayenne demonstrates the division's broadening scope. The program now encompasses both new and older vehicles fitted with custom or newly developed parts. The restored Cayenne debuted alongside a 2-tone customized Panamera at the Icons of Porsche Festival in Dubai, showcasing Porsche's expanding customization options. This restoration signals Porsche's intent to cater to a wider range of enthusiasts, including those who seek to revitalize their older vehicles through factory-backed personalization. The Sonderwunsch division is proving to be a significant revenue stream, tapping into the growing market for exclusive automotive experiences.